Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shuffle Draw vouchers in Mobile Legends. Bang bang. These special vouchers provide an exciting opportunity to acquire unique in-game items, ranging from hero skins to rare emotes. You'll typically earn them by participating in various limited-time events or completing specific challenges within the game. Each voucher grants you one entry into the Shuffle Draw, so collecting several increases your chances of getting something fantastic. Once you have a Shuffle Draw voucher, finding the event is straightforward. From the main lobby screen, simply tap on the Events tab, usually located on the left side. Within the Events section, you'll see various ongoing promotions. Look for the distinct Shuffle Draw event banner or icon, which clearly indicates where to use your vouchers. Tapping this will take you directly to the event's unique interface, ready for your draw. Now for the exciting part, performing your draw. Inside the Shuffle Draw event interface, you'll see your current voucher count displayed. Ensure you have at least one voucher ready to use. Simply tap the prominent Draw or Shuffle button. With each tap, one of your precious Shuffle Draw vouchers will be consumed, and the system will randomly select an item for you. Good luck with your draws. You might just get that item you've been wanting. After successfully performing a Shuffle Draw, your newly acquired item will be instantly added to your in-game inventory. You might also receive a confirmation message in your in-game mail detailing your prize. Remember, the more Shuffle Draw vouchers you collect, the more chances you have to win. Keep an eye out for future events to earn more vouchers and expand your collection of exclusive items. Enjoy your new rewards.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.